have this called tea off. Can you get tea off something?
Guys, I'm having headache.
Every day, they are on track.
So my husband told guys, I'm having headache, like my head. I try relaxing, but I use it to edit videos. Like they are using something to hit my head. I needed to sit with this boy here. My darling baby, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, I'm eating.
I'm eating.
He's eating jollof rice. Baby, is that apple? Will you eat that one? Caleb. Kelly? Hey, Jesus. Don't do that again, okay? Kelly? Help me bring the apple. Can you give me the apple? Thank you, my love. Thank you. So guys, I'm coming to take apples. I've already taken this banana. And my mouth is doing eat.
Oh. Wow. This surprise. Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh. I know you like orange. You don't want apple, so.
I like orange. Thank you.
Yesterday, Nina. You were not.
Not my bread.
You. So enjoy your morning, okay?
Thank you.
Boiling my egg because I have leftover egg. It seems I will eat that and add this one to it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Now, when you have this called tea off. Can you get tea off something? Is that I don't know that? Maybe it's not Hong Kong. Oh, is it? Victoria's Secret. Okay.
So guys, I just
So yeah. What is alcohol for? But yeah, okay. Anything
It smells so good. I miss this spray. Okay, say first time, yeah. Yeah, I must say, if you tell your husband what you want, right, guys? If you tell your husband the gift he should buy for you, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's still surprise. Yeah.
It's not bad, so that at least I know I buy something that will be most useful to you.
Yeah, because right now, guys, I want to invest more on this spray. body spray. I want to get more collection of body spray. And guys, this thing, the last time my husband got some, it seems when we relocated to this place the last. Leave me alone. When we relocated to this place last year, he tried and got me this. It smells so good. It lasted long. But just that me, sometimes I overspray, I overuse certain things. So you remember the one that was in the car? I think this one was in the car. That this particular one. So I left this one in the car. This particular one, it smells so good. So if the car is kind of, the air freshener has finished, Hobby use this one. And when you enter the car, oh my god, it smells so good. Wash my hair. Wash this hair, but I've not moisturized it. I look like a homeless woman. See, I've not because before washing it, it was smelling so bad. And I did this hair, 1 month has come. Saturday, guys, I needed this hairspray. You see this olive hair sheen. See, in Ghana, I used to have. See, I have to myself again, because I have realized that I have become like an old woman, like my mother. Leave me alone. I've realized that I've become my mother. Like, even my mother has time for herself sometimes, because you see my mom will lose her hair and wash it and just use the thread and do again. But now I don't know what is happening to me.
It's because
your
mom is grown. You people are grown. You don't disturb. Now Kayla,
she has head.
You
serious. It's true. It's true. Kayla can stress you that you even forget to even brush your teeth. Like, it's something else. Even the price, the thing this one and this, I will leave the price. Oh, you guys, I have to invest on myself. I was a slave queen. Baby, do you have my old pictures?
Yeah.
I don't think if my husband saw me like if this is how I look like before. How did they say it? Like,
this is how you.
Like, if this is how I was looking like, some years ago, I don't think my husband would have even said hi to me. I love your hair, but who is this person? Look at my hair. Look at my skin. My skin is no more skinny anymore. Look at my hair front. Nothing. I used to be a beautiful, taking good care of myself. Now, nothing. Brochira Barabo will turn you into an old woman. It's true. But I have to. Now, I don't have much money, but the little I'll have, I'll try and also consider we are just in the house, and I've spoken to my mother-in-law. Guys, I love this woman. This woman, oh God. See, sometimes God, it's not even sometimes, all the time, God answered our prayers. But God sometimes listened and answered your prayers based on who the person are. 1, if you're a woman and you respect people. 2, if you respect yourself as a woman, you have dignity for yourself by not doing nonsense things. You know what I mean? If you take good care of yourself, you respect your family, you respect other people, and you know what you want, and you know where you're coming from, you know who you are, and also the people you go and meet, you don't like kind of discriminate. You welcome everybody. God will surely answer your prayers, no matter what, no matter how long it will take. Because me, I have been praying since, because I told myself that I want to marry before I do my master's degree. I want to give birth. I want to do this and that immediately after my national service. And God did amazing. it happens, but just that long distance marriage, I stayed back 4 years while my husband was in US here. Aside that, before, my husband sent me to his parents in the village. First time, guys, that first encounter, that night, it was even dark, but this woman loved me. Like, she welcomed me like her own. And I also love her because I used to pray. I used to watch people's videos, watch movies, see other people's in the neighborhood, the way their mother-in-law treat them. I said, no, God, I want a mother-in-law that will love me, that will take me as her own, and I also take her as my mother. And God did amazing. My mother-in-law loved me, my brother and sisters-in-law, my father-in-law, oh goodness. So I'm so lucky. And my side too, they also love my husband. They respect my husband. Like, if you see the way my dad talked to my husband, like my dad even knows my husband before my husband like marry me or something like that. So you see, so it's always good to pray. Tell God what you want and God will answer your prayers. Trust me. Talk to God like you are talking to your friend or your sibling. And be good to your own self. Respect yourself and respect others. And God will answer your prayers, because me, my mother-in-law, I don't play with my mother-in-law. I wish I'm in Ghana and I'm giving birth like this, and you would have seen. And I wish I was a YouTuber by then. Oh my God. That time I was just watching people's video, wasting my bundle. My mother-in-law will come and visit me with plenty foodstuffs, with her sisters involved. All her sisters loves me. All of them. There were 4. There were 4 sisters. They all love me. Like, there were 3 sisters plus my mother-in-law, making 4. And even my mother-in-law brother's wife, she also loved me. And my mother-in-law mother was alive by then. That's my husband's grandmother. She also loved me. Oh goodness. That, like, I missed that moment. And now I'm here. Nobody is even coming to even greet you, or you are not even going somewhere to even greet anybody. That love was so genuine. I pray for long life for her. And I pray that God should bless her so that one day she will come visit, or we will go visit her. And I don't joke with my mother-in-law. So she just called and care about. We gave her the good news of
got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free.
So the only thing
comment under the comment section. What do you think? Is it baby girl or baby boy? Because the shape of the stomach, it has made my buttocks flat. Can you see?
if the baby has taken your buttocks, what baby is likely to be?
If the baby has taken my buttocks, then what baby is likely to be? What gender is likely to be? Is it girl or boy? Comment under the comment. See the language, my mother-in-law, the language. Like, I find it difficult to understand some parts of the language. My husband and I, we are in the same, like, we are from the same, what did they call? We are in the same tribe, and now we are same tribe. We are in the same tribe, like, we speak the same language, yeah. But where I was raised, it has affected my language, like how I speak. I don't know how to speak and understand some parts of the language. So my mother-in-law sometimes speaks, and I'm even trying in terms of the greetings. Now, because for some days now I'll greet her and she loves it, but sometimes she'll just be mocking me. That woman can tease you. She can tease you, because you are the same person that told me that I should let my husband teach me how to speak the language so that I can so that I can teach my children. And now I'm trying to. She will just be laughing at me, telling my husband that it's my husband that is teaching me. So I don't know. So now my husband wants to tell me what she said, some part that I do not understand. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye.